Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through 9 of the best Qantas credit cards. So let's jump straight in. The first credit card is the Qantas American Express Discovery Card. The best thing about this card is there is no annual fee, and you'll also be able to earn Qantas points for every dollar you spend. You'll be able to earn 1.75 Qantas points per $1 spent on Qantas products and services. You'll also be able to earn 0.75 Qantas points per dollar spent on everyday purchases outside of government bodies. There's also up to a 44-day interest-free period, and then after that interest-free period, the interest rate is 21.99% per year. Just remember that you don't have to pay any interest on your credit card if you do pay back the full amount owing each month on time before the interest-free period. And if you would like to learn more about this card, I have included some links below in the description. The next credit card is the Qantas American Express Ultimate Card. This card has an annual fee of $450. However, you also do get a $450 Qantas travel credit to use every year. So if you do use this travel credit, then you do make your money back with the annual fee. You'll also get a bonus 55,000 Qantas points when you spend $3,000 on eligible purchases on your new card within the first 3 months. You'll also be able to earn Qantas points with every dollar that you spend on your card. You'll be able to earn 2.25 Qantas points per dollar spent on eligible purchases at Qantas. You'll also earn 1.25 Qantas points on your everyday purchases outside of government bodies. And at government bodies, you'll be able to earn 0.5 Qantas points. Another great benefit of this card is you'll get free access to the Centurion Lounge at Sydney or Melbourne Airport twice per year. The Centurion Lounges at the Sydney and Melbourne Airport have actually recently been renovated, so I think they'll be really nice to visit before a flight. I'll hopefully be able to share some footage of this lounge with you soon, so stay tuned. You'll also get 2 Qantas Club Lounge invitations per year after purchasing selected Qantas products and services. I've actually been in the Qantas Club Lounges in both Sydney and Melbourne Airport, and they're really nice. With this card, you'll also get complimentary domestic and international travel insurance, which is a great benefit if you do travel a lot. This card has an interest-free period of up to 44 days, and then after that interest-free period, the interest rate is 21.99%. However, if you do pay back the full balance owing on your credit card statement before the interest-free period is up, then you won't have to pay any interest on your credit card. The next credit card is the NAB Qantas Rewards Signature Card. With this card, you can get 120,000 bonus Qantas points, 90,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 within the first 60 days, and an extra 30,000 bonus points when you keep your card for over 12 months. There's also a reduced annual fee from $395 to $295 for the first year. With this card, you'll be able to earn Qantas points for every dollar that you spend. You'll be able to earn 1 Qantas point per $1 spent on everyday purchases up to $5,000. After that $5,000, you'll be able to earn 0.5 Qantas points per $1 spent. And this will be from $5,001 to $20,000 on everyday purchases. You'll also be able to earn a bonus Qantas point for every dollar spent on eligible Qantas purchases. If you don't already have a Qantas frequent flyer membership, you'll also get a complimentary membership valued at $99.50 with this card. And you'll also get complimentary domestic, interstate, and international travel insurance. This card has an interest-free period of up to 44 days, and then after that interest-free period, the interest rate is 19.99%. But if you do pay back the full balance owing on your credit card statement before the interest-free period is over, then you won't have to pay any interest on your credit card. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. The next credit card is the Qantas Ultimate Awards Card. With this card, you can get 70,000 bonus Qantas points when you spend $5,000 on eligible purchases within the first 90 days. This card has a monthly fee of $35. However, if you spend $2,500 on your statement period and choose to receive online payments, then you won't have to pay a monthly fee for this credit card. Another really great thing about this card is there are no international transaction fees, which is a really great benefit if you are traveling overseas and and you would like to earn Qantas points for your everyday purchases, but you don't want to have to pay international transaction fees. You'll also be able to earn 1.2 Qantas points for every dollar that you spend on eligible purchases, up to $10,000 in a statement period. There's also complimentary international travel insurance. All you need to do is activate it before you travel. And there's an interest-free period of up to 55 days on your purchases. After this interest-free period, the interest rate is 20.24% per year. But if you do pay back the full balance owing before the interest-free period, then no interest will be charged on your account balance. Terms and conditions do apply, so if you would like to learn more about this card, I have included some links below in my description. If you'd like to learn more about no annual fee cards, I've also made another video about it, which you can watch up here. The next credit card is the Qantas Premier Platinum card. With this card, you'll get up to 80,000 bonus Qantas points, which is made up of 60,000 bonus Qantas points, plus an additional 20,000 bonus points if you haven't earned Qantas points with a credit card in the last 12 months. You'll receive 2 lounge invitations per year to the Qantas Club Domestic or Qantas operated international business lounges. And you'll also be able to earn 1.5 Qantas points per $1 spent internationally. You can also earn 1 Qantas point per $1 spent domestically, up to $10,000 in a statement period. And you'll also earn an extra bonus Qantas point per $1 spent on selected Qantas products and services. There's an interest-free period of up to 55 days. And then after this interest-free period, the interest rate is 19.99% per year. This card has an annual fee of $299 per year. However, the first year has a reduced annual fee, and the reduced annual fee is $249. The next credit card is the American Express Qantas Business Rewards card. With this card, you'll earn 150,000 bonus Qantas points when you spend $3,000 on eligible purchases on your new card within the first 2 months. You'll also receive 2 complimentary domestic Qantas Club Lounge passes per year. The annual fee is $450 per year, and you'll be able to earn 2 Qantas points per $1 spent on Qantas products and services, 1.25 Qantas points per $1 spent on everyday purchases, and 0.5 Qantas points per $1 spent at government bodies. And if you would like to learn more about this card, I have included a link below in the description where you can also read all of the terms and conditions. The next credit card is the ANZ Frequent Flyer Platinum card. With this card, you'll get 70,000 bonus Qantas points when you spend $2,500 on eligible purchases within the first 3 months. And if you meet these eligibility requirements, you'll also get $100 back on your statement. One of the best things about this card is you'll get a lot of complimentary insurances. For example, you'll get complimentary international and domestic travel insurance, rental vehicle excess insurance, and extended warranty insurance and purchase protection. Terms and conditions on these insurance products do apply, so it is important to read the PDS. This card has an annual fee of $295 per year, and you'll also be able to earn 0.75 Qantas points for every dollar that you spend, up to and including $3,000. And then over $3,000, you'll be able to earn 0.5 Qantas points for every dollar that you spend. This card has an interest-free period of up to 55 days, and the interest rate after this interest-free period is 20.24% per year. If you would like to learn more about this card, I have included some links below in my description. Please do remember that terms and conditions do apply for all of these credit cards, so it is important to read all of the terms and conditions and the PDSs so that you can really do your own research. The next credit card is the Qantas American Express Premium card. With this card, you'll receive 30,000 bonus Qantas points when you apply online, are approved, and spend $3,000 on your new card within the first 3 months. With this card, you'll also receive 2 complimentary Qantas Club Lounge invitations each year when you purchase eligible Qantas products and services. You'll also receive a complimentary Qantas Wine membership, and you'll be able to earn 2 Qantas points for every dollar that you spend on eligible Qantas products or services. You'll also be able to earn 1 Qantas point for every dollar that you spend on everyday purchases. And you'll also be able to receive complimentary domestic and international travel insurance. This card has up to 44 days interest-free, and then after this interest-free period, the interest rate is 21.99% per year. The annual fee for this card is $249 per year. And if you would like to learn more about this credit card, I have included some links below in the description. And the final credit card is the Qantas Premier Everyday Card. With this card, you'll get up to 8,000 bonus points. New cardholders earn 2 bonus points on top of the standard earn rate for every dollar that you spend on eligible purchases within the first 4 months. And this can add up to a total of 8,000 bonus points. This card also has a low annual fee of $49 per year. You'll also be able to earn 1 Qantas point per dollar spent internationally, 0.75 Qantas points per dollar spent domestically up to $3,000, and an extra bonus Qantas point for every dollar spent on eligible Qantas products and services. You'll also be able to access complimentary domestic and international travel insurance. This card has an interest-free period of up to 55 days, and then after this interest-free period, the interest rate is 19.99% per year. And a reminder, this video was recorded on the 2nd of February 2023, so some of the offers may have changed since then. If you would like to learn more about these cards, they're all on my website, and I have included some links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!